Hey everybody, we are about to go into the St. Elizabeth Cathedral. Right there, we're walking up to it. It's built over the grave site of St. Elizabeth. They started building it in 1235 and they completed it almost 50 years later in 1340. And actually St. Elizabeth was from Hungary, and she was the sister-in-law to the Landgrave. That's the guy who ran the castle here at the time. All right, we're gonna go on in. Hey guys, here we are in front of St. Elizabeth, and a little correction to what I just said a moment ago. My bad, I was mistaken. It did not take them almost 50 years to build this. It took them 105 years to complete construction on this, 1235 to 1340. Just look at this doorway right here. All right. And they did this that long ago with hand tools. Look at this. Look at these interesting, the windows. Look at that. Hand tools. All right, we're inside the church now. Unfortunately, they have a big section that closed off for renovations. But this is all gold. Look at the scale of this place, it's huge. This is one of the first Gothic churches in Germany, and it was a big pilgrimage location. I was here 15 years ago. There was a room off to the side with sarcophaguses of some of their kings and landgraves, and it looks like it's closed off. Up there, that's where they would go. The pastor would go to do his services. He would go up here, walk up there. Here. This is St. Elizabeth right there. She was I got a little interactive thing here.
This is like a 3D walkthrough.
So will this take us to the rooms we can't get into?
Yeah. So I'm going to try and get back there.
Yeah, that's what's all clear. We went all back there last time we were here.
Yeah. I wonder, can you spin this? Yes, you can spin it. Okay. So let's see, can we get back there?
Touch.
This, okay.
Does anything pop up if
There you
you
go. Oh, no, we want to go.
no, push?
Wait, so we can get the red dots in the back. So let me. There we go. I think we're getting past the wall.
There we go.
Okay.
Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, there's over that room on the side over there is where the sarcophaguses were.
All right, so go ahead. You steer.
Right in there.
You gotta hit the red dots to get to
That's okay, we'll get there.
Yeah, last time I came, we were
Yeah.
in here where all the.
Oh, this was roped off, this room here? Right, this is the room that I was in last time that was roped off. Okay guys, we're coming into where they have the, it's not the sarcophagus, but it's kind of like a shrine to St. Elizabeth, and it's over where her grave would be. is all gold, encrusted with gemstones. And if you look at the mirror there, that kind of shows you what's on the side there that you can't see. And the mosaic floors are beautiful. Look at these mosaic floors. A little footlocker chest. I didn't show it on the way in to the St. Elizabeth room, but we kind of got the VIP access back here. This is like, they're all doing the renovations back here. Check this out. They're doing all the renovations back here, so we kind of got walked in through the door to get the VIP tour, kind of. So they're redoing all this stuff back here. Oh, yeah, that's kind of neat,
Right.
little pulley thing. Oh, look, here's a bell from up in the steeple bell room. So we're going to do a quick 3D tour of the inside of St. Elizabeth without the renovations going on, so we can kind of see where some of this stuff is. But as we move in, this is the sanctuary room, and it's, even though this church was completed building in 1340, they still hold services here on Sundays, and the evenings they do recitals here for music, and it's still an operating church. Yeah, just kind of moving around, taking a look at some of the things. Now, how could have brought me over there? And up here, you'll see this is where they go up and do the pastor or the reverend would do his services up top up there. And this is the altar. Let's kind of go behind the scenes back here. This is kind of where we just were back here when we went in to see the St. Elizabeth room, which I believe is going to be behind there. And I just have here. It's kind of neat. Let's Das Gramo von August zur Lieb. I'm not really sure what that means. Come on. It's downloading. Even when they have the, what's that? Little play.
Grabmal August zur Lippe. Wir stehen hier vor dem Grabmal des Grafen August zur Lippe. Er war Landkomtur
Right, that's kinda
von
loud, right?
1684
It's buffering. Let's move on.
bis 1701.
I need to turn that off.
In barocker Manier präsentiert er sich in voller Größe.
Yeah, let's turn that off. Okay, hopefully that stopped it. Let's see what this is. We're not going to play that. Here is this is where we just were back in here in the St. Elizabeth room. That's kind of neat. Unfortunately, they don't have this in English. It's only in German. The YouTube thing. But yeah, that's kind of cool. How we can go in here and do all that. So how now do we get out? Oh, up close and personal with the organ. I didn't want to back up a little bit. Can we back up? How do we back up? Oh, all right. Okay, kids, I think that was it.
Wahrzeichen Marburg